Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, AI pioneers and automation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting frontiers in artificial intelligence. Autonomous AI agents that don't just answer questions, they actually get things done. Imagine an AI assistant that can think, plan, and execute complex tasks independently, transforming the way we work and live. In this video, we'll introduce you to AutoGPT and the broader world of AI agents, exploring how these systems are reshaping productivity and creativity. Get ready to discover the future of AI that acts, not just reacts. Traditional AI chatbots are great at conversation, but their abilities usually stop at giving advice or answering questions. AutoGPT and modern AI agents represent the next evolution. Systems that can take your goals, break them down into actionable steps, use digital tools, and actually accomplish tasks autonomously. Think of it as the difference between having a brilliant advisor who tells you what to do versus having an entire team that goes out and does it for you. This shift is opening up new possibilities for automation and productivity. AI agents are autonomous systems designed to perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals, all without constant human intervention. They're defined by autonomy, goal orientation, tool usage, and the ability to learn from experience. The rise of AutoGPT marked a turning point, showing how language models could be given goals and work independently to achieve them through reasoning, planning, and action. If ChatGPT is a brilliant research assistant, AutoGPT is like having an entire company that can execute complex projects from start to finish. Let's break down the core features that make AI agents so powerful. First, autonomy. They can operate independently, making decisions without needing constant human input. Second, they're goal-oriented, always working towards specific objectives. Third, they're capable of using a wide range of digital tools like software, APIs, and browsers to get things done. Finally, they learn from experience and feedback, improving their performance over time. These features combine to create systems that are not just smart, but also capable of meaningful action. AutoGPT became the first widely popular AI agent, demonstrating how language models could be given high-level goals and autonomously work to achieve them. By chaining together reasoning, planning, and action, AutoGPT can tackle complex, multi-step tasks that previously required human oversight. This breakthrough has inspired a new wave of AI agent development, with systems becoming more capable and independent every day. AutoGPT's success has shown the world what's possible when AI moves from passive assistant to active problem solver. So, how does AutoGPT actually work? It all starts with you providing a high-level objective. The agent then breaks this goal down into actionable steps, plans how to achieve them, and uses digital tools to execute each step. As it works, AutoGPT evaluates its progress, adjusts its plan if needed, and repeats the process until the goal is achieved. This structured loop goal setting, planning, execution, evaluation, and iteration enables AutoGPT to handle complex workflows with minimal human input. AutoGPT is built on several key components. At its heart is a large language model, usually GPT-4, which serves as the reasoning engine. It uses both short-term and long-term memory to keep track of context and learn from experience. AutoGPT can access a variety of tools, such as web browsers, file systems, and APIs, to interact with the digital world. Finally, a supervisor module manages the reasoning and execution loop, ensuring that the agent stays on track and adapts as needed. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you want to research the top 3 AI startups and create a detailed report. AutoGPT would plan the research process, browse the web for relevant information, analyze the findings, write the report, and save the file all on its own. This ability to chain thoughts and actions together in a structured way is what makes AutoGPT so powerful for handling complex, multi-step tasks that would otherwise require significant human effort. AI agents come in several types, each designed for different purposes. Single-task agents are optimized for one specific job, like research or coding, making them reliable and predictable. Multitask agents, on the other hand, can handle a variety of tasks, offering more versatility but less specialization. There are also specialized domain agents, such as coding agents, research agents, creative agents, and analytical agents, each tailored to excel in their respective fields. This diversity allows users to choose the right agent for their needs. Not all AI agents operate with the same level of independence. Some are assistive, requiring human approval for each step. Others are semi-autonomous, able to proceed with some independence but still needing occasional oversight. The most advanced are fully autonomous agents, capable of completing entire tasks without any human intervention. Choosing the right autonomy level is crucial for balancing efficiency, safety, and control, especially as agents take on more complex responsibilities. A key capability of advanced AI agents is their ability to reason and plan. They can break down complex goals into manageable steps, adjust their plans based on new information, handle unexpected obstacles, and optimize their approach for efficiency and success. This dynamic planning ability allows agents to tackle tasks that would be too complicated for traditional automation, making them valuable partners in both business and personal projects. AI agents are only as powerful as the tools they can use. Modern agents can browse the web to gather information, read and write files, execute code, integrate with APIs, and control software applications. This wide range of tool usage enables them to perform tasks that span research, content creation, software development, and more. By leveraging these digital tools, agents can automate workflows that previously required multiple human experts. Memory is a crucial part of any intelligent agent. AI agents use short-term memory to keep track of the current task context and long-term memory to learn from past experiences. Some even use vector databases to store and retrieve relevant information efficiently. Effective context management ensures that agents can maintain coherence across sessions, remember user preferences, and continuously improve their performance over time. One of the most exciting aspects of AI agents is their ability to learn and self-improve. By analyzing their successes and failures, agents can refine their strategies, adapt to user preferences, and optimize their performance metrics. This continuous learning loop makes agents more effective over time, allowing them to tackle increasingly complex tasks and deliver better results with each iteration. Getting started with AutoGPT requires a few basic components: Python 3.8 or higher, an OpenAI API key for GPT-4, Git for installation, and sufficient computing resources. The setup process involves cloning the AutoGPT repository from GitHub, installing dependencies, configuring environment variables, setting up API keys, and running the application. While the process is straightforward for developers, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth setup. AutoGPT isn't the only player in the field. There are several popular alternatives, each with its own strengths. Baby AGI offers a simpler, more focused agent framework. LangChain agents are flexible and developer-friendly, making them ideal for custom solutions. Super AGI is designed for enterprise-grade applications, while Camel AI specializes in role-playing agents. Exploring these options can help you find the right fit for your specific needs and technical background. Once your agent is installed, configuration is key. You can choose which tools to enable, set autonomy levels and safety limits, configure memory and storage, and define success criteria and constraints. Starting with limited autonomy is a good idea, allowing you to gradually increase the agent's independence as you become more comfortable with its capabilities. Proper configuration ensures both safety and effectiveness as your agent takes on more complex tasks. AI agents are transforming business automation. They can conduct market research, generate detailed reports, analyze data, automate customer service, and optimize business processes. By handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks, agents free up human workers to focus on higher-level strategy and creativity. This shift is making businesses more efficient, responsive, and competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Content creation is another area where AI agents shine. They can research and write comprehensive articles, develop marketing campaigns from concept to execution, generate social media content calendars, and even produce video scripts and storyboards. By automating these creative processes, agents help individuals and organizations scale their content efforts while maintaining quality and consistency. AI agents are making a big impact in software development. They can plan and implement new features, debug and fix complex issues, write documentation and tests, and even review and optimize code. By automating these technical tasks, agents help developers work more efficiently and focus on solving higher-level challenges, accelerating the pace of innovation in the software industry. AI agents aren't just for businesses, they can also supercharge personal productivity. From planning trips and making reservations to researching major purchases, organizing personal projects, and supporting learning and skill development, agents help individuals manage their time and tasks more effectively. This personal assistance frees up mental energy for creativity, growth, and relaxation. In research and analysis, AI agents excel at conducting academic literature reviews, writing technical research papers, analyzing data, visualizing results, and even testing hypotheses. By automating these complex and time-consuming tasks, agents empower researchers and analysts to focus on generating insights and making impactful discoveries. While AI agents offer incredible value, it's important to manage costs. API calls and computational resources can become expensive if not monitored. Setting usage limits, optimizing workflows for cost-effectiveness, and regularly reviewing expenses are essential steps to ensure that your automation efforts remain sustainable and within budget. Safety and control are critical when deploying autonomous agents. There's always a risk of unintended actions, so it's important to set appropriate constraints and maintain human oversight. By carefully defining boundaries and monitoring agent behavior, you can ensure that your AI systems act responsibly and align with your goals. AI agents are powerful, but they're not perfect. Sometimes they can get stuck in loops or pursue unproductive paths. Regular monitoring and timely intervention are necessary to keep agents on track. As the technology matures, reliability will continue to improve, but for now, human oversight remains a key part of successful automation. Setting up and configuring AI agents can be technically challenging, especially for beginners. It requires a solid understanding of programming, APIs, and system configuration. Debugging agent behavior can also be complex. However, as tools and documentation improve, the barriers to entry are gradually lowering, making autonomous AI more accessible to a wider audience. The future of AI agents is bright. We can expect advances in reasoning and problem-solving, improved tool usage and integration, enhanced learning from experience, and more reliable task completion. As agents become more specialized and accessible, they'll play an even bigger role in business, creativity, and daily life. AI agents are becoming more specialized, with domain-specific expert agents, personal assistants, enterprise workflow agents, and creative collaborators. At the same time, improvements in setup, user interfaces, and pre-built templates are making these systems more accessible to everyone. Lower computational requirements mean more people can benefit from autonomous AI, regardless of their technical background. As AI agents become more autonomous, ethical considerations are increasingly important. We need to define boundaries for autonomous decision-making, ensure privacy and data security, maintain accountability and transparency, and consider the broader societal impact. Responsible development and regulation will be key to ensuring that AI agents benefit everyone. If you're ready to start exploring autonomous AI, begin with simple, low-risk tasks in controlled environments. Set appropriate autonomy limits, monitor agent behavior closely, and implement cost controls and usage limits. Use sandboxed environments for testing, maintain human oversight, and always have backup and rollback plans in place. This careful approach will help you learn safely and effectively as you experiment with different agent types and capabilities. To get the most out of AI agents, Follow a structured learning path. Start with basic task automation, then gradually increase the complexity of your projects. Experiment with different agent types and contribute to open-source projects to deepen your understanding. This hands-on approach will help you build confidence and unlock the full potential of autonomous AI in your work and life. AI agents represent one of the most transformative applications of large language models. While the technology is still early in development, these systems already demonstrate the potential to dramatically augment human capabilities and automate complex workflows. The most successful users see AI agents as collaborative partners, bringing creativity, persistence, and computational power to bear on challenging problems. The future isn't just about AI that thinks it's about AI that does.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.